Alright, I made a wedge for my appendix carry holsters using these heel lift shoe inserts that you buy off Amazon. They're for people who want to add some inches to their height, or who have one leg shorter than the other, whatever. You buy a pair of them for like $9 or $10. They're made out of polyurethane gel, so they hold their shape better than the closed cell foam that you get from the holster companies when they sell those add-on wedges for their holsters. These are advertised as being 1.5 inches tall. They're not quite that tall. And these are specifically for ladies' shoes. There are wider ones that are for men's shoes, but I don't really need that for this. So I'm going to use the 2-inch by 4-inch industrial strength Velcro that you get at Walmart, or you can buy on Amazon or wherever. It's the same Velcro that you use to attach your shotgun shell cards to your shotgun, if you've done that. It's got the industrial strength adhesive, industrial strength hook and loop on it, and it fits pretty much perfectly on these shoe inserts, as you can see. So obviously you're going to put the softer loop material onto the back of your holster, so that if you don't have the wedge attached, it won't be irritating. It's soft. Then you're going to attach the hook part to the back of the wedge. Here I trimmed it so that the corners aren't sticking out over the edge of the heel insert. Also, I painted it with the Flexi Seal spray paint, just because I wanted to. So obviously all you do then is take your little wedge, put it on the holster however you want it. Fits very nicely. And there you go. And you can put other loop pieces on other holsters, and that way you can use that same wedge on other holsters if you so desire. And if you want to carry this holster at 4 o'clock, then just take the wedge off, and there you go. Works pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'll put links to what I used in the description.